Hello, everybody. This is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh and Wake Forest, and this week's tech tip is dedicated on setting your goals for 2021. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're in February. Robert, why would I be setting my goals? For those of you, my good students, who've already set your goals at the end of last year, this may not be for you. But did you know that you can set your goals inside of Command? For those of you that don't, let's go ahead and hop right on in and get started. From the Command homepage, we're going to go down to Reports. And once in Reports, we're going to choose Goals. And up here in the top right-hand corner where it says Goal Settings, we're going to click on that. And it's going to get us started with a smart guide on how to set our goals for the rest of the year. So let's go ahead and get started. Once we are in here, you'll notice everything is laid out. We can set an annual profit goal, and then that will give us our monthly profit goal. It also helps us with a breakdown of what we need to be doing in each aspect of our business. Now, I can't answer these questions for you, so you do need to have some data on your conversion rates from year to year, but it's just as easy as plugging them in. So for instance, I'm setting my goals for this year. Let's say I want to make $150,000. Notice how it changes the numbers on the left. If my expenses are not $75,000, but let's just say my expenses are, $20,000. Okay? I can adjust those numbers there. Cost of sales. Look, if you hover over the I on any of these, it tells you exactly what they are. So here, cost of sales could be splits to agent, transaction coordinators, those kinds of things. You can break that down however you want. I'll just set that for a real easy number down to 20,000 as well. Let's also say that my business is 50-50 listings and buyers. From all this, you can see that it begins to break down what our average commission per unit might be. And notice, you can change them at any time. If you know that your average net from a listing is $12,000, go ahead and set that. Okay. Once you've input the information as it needs to be, let's go ahead and click Next. On this next page, we're going to be talking about conversion rates. And this is something that if you've been in business for a while, you should have a general idea of. But if you haven't been in business for a while, then I would encourage you to stick with the defaults for now. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do for today. But for instance, I have a much higher conversion rate with my business since I work by referral. So once you've set the conversion rates the way that they should be for your business, we're going to click Save and Continue. And then at the very end, it allows us to review our goals. Okay, so I set a profit goal of $150,000, and so this helps me know what GCI I need to bring in to cover my expenses and still keep that profit. So we click What's Next, and then we're done. You can go back to your home screen or you can view your goals. You can always go back to Reports and check up on your goals and how you're doing for the year. Once again, I'm Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer, and I am always here to help. If you need anything, do not hesitate to email me at robertjoins@kw.com. That's JOINES@kw.com. I hope that y'all have a great week. I hope to see you around the office. Hope to see you at Greasy Spoon and on Fridays in my class. Have a great week, and let's go make some money.